It's late on Friday morning. I just did not get ready in time for the test yesterday. Was still bolting things together at the back end of the car, especially fuel tank, exhaust, and I also had to bleed the brakes and a number of other jobs. It's the fuel tank fitted up, exhaust back on, handbrake cable, fuel filler neck, new brake pipes, and systems bled, and all the pipes are routed now again. Really pleased how the underneath of this car has turned out. Let's get it back on the floor. I've managed to book a test for tomorrow morning on the way to Killarney Deja Vu. So at least we'll have had more time to get everything right, so fingers crossed for that. In the meantime, it's time to get going on the engine bay and getting this engine going, so I have the last few bits of assembly to do in here. So the first thing I'll be doing is putting back the airbox and the wiper motor. Fitting the wiper motor now. It's a shame to be putting these things in so dirty, but I just don't have the time to tidy them up, but it deserves a recon at some stage in its own right. I've got the engine in and all connected up, and I've got ignition, and it starts and runs. I need to get it idling and sort it out a little bit, but I still have a few other bits and pieces of assembly to do. It's now after midnight, about 12:30 on Friday into the Saturday of the sign on for the tour, so getting pretty late. Anyway, we'll need lights where we're going. Sorry if the video isn't too detailed at this stage, I just have to get on with it now. It may have been dusty in here. That's clearly what those are for. I needed some light in here a minute ago, so I stuck my flashlight on my iPhone into the tire tread, and I can see the nuts inside. One AM. Ten to 2, fitting the back bumper. Half 6 on the Saturday morning now. I'm going to have to leave at about 8:30. Just wiring up the pull cable for the bonnet, and I was just thinking, did I leave that hole in the bulkhead or did I just weld up everything? But anyway, I've just had a look and fortunately the hole is still there. Right, it's 9:30 on the Saturday. I'm too far away from the test centre to make it in time. And the car is just, it's 95% there, but I haven't got the lights all sorted out. Gear selector's a bit, you can find them, but you can't expect someone else to do that, you know. Exhaust leaking a bit. It's just not 100%, and it's pointless going that far. And then the other thing, I have the fan temporarily connected up and stuff, and I just don't want to risk overheating the engine. I'm not confident in the temperature gauge is working right and bits and pieces like that, and it'd just be stupid to wreck it after all this work. And we've plenty of other exciting things planned for later in the year. So there's some really cool cars and some interesting people to go and meet in Killarney today. We just won't have this little one there.